This is Nokia C32, and today I will show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So first step is to turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then expand or open the control panel and find the nearby share tile. So here it is, then hold your finger at its icon. Once the nearby share page opens, you can activate this feature by toggling this switch. From now, you can rename your device if you want to, set a custom name for it, control and manage your device visibility mode, or turn off its visibility at all, or for good rather. Then you can also change the data type or network type that will be used for the file transfer, and you are all set. Now let's go ahead and test this feature out. So let's say I'll try sending this screenshot I just took and see how well the nearby share feature works and handles the file move. So as you can clearly see, the picture was sent and received successfully. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.